Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is me, Marty, at martinhonnold.com. Here's the blog site. Anyhow, I want to make a video tonight about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and if this is the final crash or the end of the bubble in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. Well, I still believe we're in a bull market or bubble for Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. I believe we just are hitting a hiccup, and this is a little bear market within a bull market. So just a correction down. I believe the low end for Bitcoin this week will probably be somewhere in 42,000 area. So far last week and the week before, I think we traded up to about 60,000 on Bitcoin. We got as high as, I believe, $1,500 USD in Ethereum. I believe it's possible for Ethereum to trade down to 1,200. I really think if this bull market continues, and I really believe it probably will, that Ethereum will probably outperform Bitcoin. And if you buy Bitcoin between 1,200 and 1,500, you'll see some nice gains. I personally think Bitcoin or Ethereum's going to 5 or 10,000, possibly 15,000. There's also other Ethereum speculators like Raoul Pa who's made the claim it could possibly go to 100,000, but $15,000 to 100,000 for an Ethereum coin. That's a pretty out there view. I don't claim it's the correct view. I'm just saying it's a possibility. And with position sizing, you don't really need to take a big position in Bitcoin. You can take a small position, and if it really outperforms, it'll pull your whole portfolio ahead, whether it's cryptocurrencies or gold and silver or tech shares or even emerging market shares. I believe right now we're in the beginnings of an inflationary boom that's going to push up all those mentioned assets. Not only that, but also real estate around the world, depending on where you are. But like anything else, if you're in a big city, real estate prices in some big cities will fall. Real estate prices in some smaller town and communities will rise as people leave the cities. I believe the same thing's going to happen in the emerging markets. It just depends where you're at. Anyhow, I'm fairly confident that the bubble will continue, if that's what you want to call it, a bull market in emerging markets, in Bitcoin, in Ethereum. A lot of the alt currencies will rise. It's true that some people say there are a lot of shit coins and they're not really worth anything. That's actually true. To me, they remind me of junior gold mining shares. A lot of these are just, as Mark Twain said, a hole in the ground with a liar at the entrance. Most of these altcoin projects are just crappy, but I still think the turkeys will fly, and if you have your own few guesses, if you just put a small amount in, you might get lucky, you might not. So that's why I mostly suggest buying Bitcoin and then Ethereum, and then as the Ethereum, if the Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin, taking that off the table and buying either Bitcoin if you're a long-term believer in Bitcoin, or cashing out and buying more gold coins. Although I still believe gold is in a bear market right now, and I would not expect gold to outperform or to go up a lot from here. But until we get into another scare, I expect gold to still trend down in gold mining shares. And I still think until that happens and we get another scare in the market, I'd expect the dollar and gold to go down. I'll expect Bitcoin and ETH and a lot of other commodities, including emerging market shares and tech shares, to continue in rallying, going up. That's my view on that. I'm going to wrap that up. Put this video on the YouTube site, which is just Google Martin Honnold on YouTube, or I'll embed this video on my blog site, which is martinhonnold.com. Anyhow, since you're watching this on the channel, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.